Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make honey barbecue sauce for chicken wings easy guide. Gather your ingredients and measure them precisely before you begin cooking. Start by combining honey, barbecue sauce, ketchup, and apple cider vinegar in a small bowl and whisk until smooth. Mince garlic and add smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Have a small saucepan ready over medium heat for gentle simmering and heat the blended sauce over medium heat and bring to a gentle simmer while stirring often to keep it smooth. Reduce the heat slightly and simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes until the sauce thickens to a glossy consistency. Taste and adjust with a splash of vinegar, a pinch of salt, or an extra spoon of honey for balance. Remove from heat and let the sauce rest for a few minutes before glazing wings. While the wings are hot, place them in a large bowl and pour over most of the warm honey barbecue sauce, tossing gently until each piece is evenly coated. Reserve a few tablespoons for dipping alongside the plated wings. Arrange the glazed wings on a serving platter and sprinkle with sliced green onions or sesame seeds for visual appeal and extra texture. Serve with celery, carrot sticks, and your reserved sauce on the side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.